back a little bit more, right? And that's what I'm asking you all to do. So I go talk about flood insurance. All of us in one way or the other have been affected by the blessings of the rain gods in the last 3 months or last 1 month maybe. But I think it's safe to say that we are all better off than so many more of our Chennai fellow citizens, correct? You got much more luckier, right? That's the one thing that I got out of the whole flood situation is, alright, my life is fairly good compared to a lot of other people. So this also gets us to think, what can we do to make life around us a little better? The PMI Chennai chapter has always been involved in corporate social responsibility. So we are going to contribute about 25,000 rupees towards Chennai relief, the rain relief, from the chapter. And we ask you to join us because all of us can do more than some of us, right? And you don't have to do it just like that. There's a fantastic selfie board outside with some nice captions about Chennai. Go take a photograph, show it off to your friends that you were in a conference and you did some good and you're proud about being in Chennai. There are some t-shirts on sale. We have an author coming up to speak shortly. He has given some of his books. N. Subramaniam. He has given some of his books. All the proceeds will go to charity. So yeah, do whatever you can. I'm sure you've already done a lot more, but now just join us as a community to do some more. That's what I'm going to leave you with when you go into the break. Of course, we're also going to leave you with tea, coffee and cookies and a couple of sponsored stalls to visit. On that note, I would like to thank AAC for also sponsoring part of the conference. Thank you. We also like to thank Petrofac and we also like to thank GroupAndPay. These are people who make our conference a little bit more easier. Most importantly of all, they make it a little bit more cheaper for you all to attend and have such a wonderful experience. Right? So, thank you very much. I think that deserves an applause.